Alright, everybody, we're headed to the gym. Do some arms. It's coming down out here, y'all. Raining?
So raining.
It's raining, non-stop raining. Squirrel Camp is rained out. Arms ain't gonna get rained out though. Solid bicep, tricep workout. If you're not doing laying dumbbell skull crushers, highly recommend them.
What are we doing? We got Grubs Brothers. Oh, there it is. And we're getting some more.
More kitchen supplies.
Yep. Loading up.
Alright, y'all. So we went to the restaurant supply store and I kept getting a card declined message. So I called my bank. Turns out there's fraudulent activity on my card. Somebody's out there buying a bunch of makeup, American Eagle, and Fit Flops, whatever the heck that is. So I have to cancel my card. I gotta file a police report. I ain't got time for this stuff. I got a business to run. Here I am, got people using my business money to buy Fit Flops. What the heck's going on with the world? Alright, y'all. Let me bring you up to speed. A couple hours have passed. I've eaten my salmon. Day's gotten away from me. It's been crazy. I'm gonna get a tattoo that says embrace the chaos. Well, probably not gonna get a tattoo that says that, but that's what my life's motto should be. Today has gotten crazy. Yeah. I don't even remember what the last clip was. I think the last clip was about me talking about that fraudulent person that stole $600 from me and has been buying makeup, flip-flops, and American Eagle jeans. Not cool. On top of that, my flax ingredient for the keto bricks got delayed, so I just had to pay an extra $800 in expedited shipping. Not happy about that. We still have to go to my uncle's and pick up another load of ingredients that did come in on time, but these are the things you gotta love about owning your own business. Just the things that make you mad but make you happy because it's your problems and not somebody else's problems. And that sounds strange to enjoy, but I love it. I love it. You gotta love it. Getting more ingredients now, and we're swinging by my uncle's warehouse to do that, and also get some more packaging containers. So, yeah, buddy.
All right, guys. Today is crazy. Robert and I have tried to really keep ourselves together. We just got a lot of stuff to do. And it seems like every single thing we do, there is a setback, there's something that's frustrating, something like that. So we're really trying hard to keep each other just uplifted, just trying to make it through the day, just trying so hard to keep our minds wrapped around what we're trying to do and why we're doing it. Here he is. The man of the hour. The man of every hour.
These are those days. What's crazy is we're not even talking about what's going crazy on the vlog, because we're trying to just be positive and not put that out there. But today's been
crazy.
Upside down. Upside down. But we love it, right?
We do
we love it.
We like feed off of this.
Yeah. I'm like a phoenix, y'all. Freaking bury me in ashes and I'll freaking flame up and be born again.
Wow.
Stronger than last
That's
time.
rough.
Yeah? Pretty deep,
That was
huh?
intense.
It was intense.
Mm-hmm.
Bring it, y'all. I'll take the hardest of hardships. Right?
You know what Robert keeps doing? And I don't know why, but he keeps like opening up one of these and only drinking like this much of it. Or like, he'll leave like this much in it.
That's you.
Nope, all day. I've been finding them and I've just been like drinking the rest of them.
Alright.
In case you were wondering.
What other deep thoughts we have?
That's about it. We're gonna pick ourselves up. We're gonna have a good rest of the day. I gotta go grocery shopping for us. We gotta go to Sam's Club and Whole Foods and...
The vlog is gonna be out late today. The podcast is gonna be out late today. The clients are gonna be taken care of late today.
Yep.
But everything's gonna be done.
Yes.
Bring on the hardships.
Oh.
What?
We'll check in with you guys later.
Yeah. Alright, y'all. So, as you've been able to tell from the footage thus far today, Crystal and I have just been just backed up against the wall, obstacle after obstacle. Start gaining some momentum, then something else happens and beats you down. It's just been a very, very trying day. But we just checked our P.O. box, and I got a card from one of my clients that just did his first competition. A card to say thanks, and then it says, the orangutan is just there to get your attention. P.S. It's okay, it's a keto banana. But they said, thank you for going above and beyond for this contest prep journey with me. And he gave us two $50 gift cards to Outback Steakhouse. Like, all the shit that went wrong today is like resolved when something like this happens. Like when I get he didn't have to do this, but it means the world to me, and I'm just perfect day for this to happen. Thank you very, very much. I don't ever have the right to complain ever in my entire life, because I've got amazing support, I've got amazing clients, I've got amazing people in my life, and no amount of day-to-day shit can bring me down from that, because I owe my happiness to y'all. So thank you. Boom! Crystal just got back from Whole Foods. What'd you get, baby? Is that a new one? Mm-hmm. That's a Waterloo? Grapefruit. Is it pretty good?
So good.
Let me try. Pretty good. Alright. What did you get, baby?
Well, since I started my diet, my little, the thing I'm doing with the food sensitivity stuff, I've been craving salt, so I got almonds with salt. Almonds is one of the things I can have, and I've been like really craving salt, so I got some of those.
Can I have an almond with salt?
Yes, you may. You can have a few almonds with salt. Actually, just 2.
Thank you.
Okay, so let's see what else I got here. I got a couple things for Robert, got a couple things for me. Robert number 1, blue cheese stuffed olives.
I like it.
Robert number 2, garlic stuffed olives.
I like it.
Sorry for this hot mess that you're looking at right now.
I like it.
Also, I decided to get him like some kind of fun cheeses. This is a double creamed Gouda.
That's for me?
Yeah.
Ooh,
I
baby.
can have cheese. Then I love this Kite Hill almond cream cheese. So I got him 2 different flavors. One is chives, one is jalapenos.
Nice.
I also got him 1 yogurt just to mix it up this week. I got myself some coconut shreds and some pumpkin seeds. Got myself egg whites because I can't have whole eggs.
Weirdo.
Stinks. I also got turkey burgers because I
can't
have beef, and I tried to mix it up.
Are you eating keto, bruh?
It doesn't feel like I hate what I'm doing right now, by the way. And then I got Robert some sardines because I know he loves these in olive oil with lemon.
Nice. And
I got him some eggs as well. And then I got him these little snacky mozzarella cheese things.
What are they?
It's mozzarella cheese, but it's in a pack of 3.
Wow.
I thought they were cute. I also got Robert some avocados, which he doesn't usually eat, and they're pretty high in carbs, but I thought we could have some fun with it, mix it up. I don't know. Do something different.
Nice sweater, by the way.
Thank you. Represent. Some Peterson Farms sausage.
Boom.
Yep. I got myself a cucumber. I figured since I was craving the salt, I can have some walnut oil and some salt on a cucumber.
Wait. I just noticed that I can see my reflection in the microwave. It's kind of weird.
You're so weird. I also got Robert some halloumi cheese.
Nice.
I went crazy with the cheese. I think it's because I can't have it that I'm giving Robert all the cheese. I got some lemons for myself so I can kind of squeeze on whatever I want to, maybe the cucumber as well. Got myself some walnuts. Oddly enough, nuts is one of the things that I was not sensitive to, so I'm really grateful for that. And then I got some salt pork.
Ooh.
Robert and I
what are the macros on this one?
Robert and I are both going to have some of this because I can actually have pork. It doesn't have the macros.
No macros?
No, but I got it because I
Is that
can have
even
it.
legal? No macros?
No macros. I also got myself some spinach and some lettuce. I'm going to wrap my turkey burger in lettuce like a weirdo. And I got some frozen broccoli. I don't know why I prefer frozen broccoli. I'm a weirdo, I know. It's like it's
We're
almost
supposed to look to see if there's a song called Broccoli. We gotta do that stuff.
Yeah, okay. I'm not really worried about the song. But that's it. The craziness on the table here.
What you gonna eat tonight?
I'm not gonna. I'm just not.
Going to bed?
Yeah, I'm
Putting
so
an end to
tired.
this crazy day?
I'm gonna, yeah, put an end to it. If you get the chance, you should try this stuff because it's bomb.
Bomb. Alright, babe, hit the camera. Alright, y'all. Chow down on my avocado real quick. Crystal made the point that we didn't really have much meat in this grocery haul. Tomorrow I'm going to make an order at US Wellness Meats. I'm going to buy some 75-25 ground beef. I'm probably going to buy some liverwurst sausage. And I'm probably going to buy a couple of things. I might get some stuff that I have not had before. One of my clients was recommending their pre-cooked brisket, so I might get some of that. In fact, Crystal was really frustrated when she was grocery shopping. She called me and she was like, they don't have anything I want. They've got soy oil and canola oil and all this stuff. So I think what we're going to do, or try to do tomorrow, is like see what all we can order from like Amazon, US Wellness Meats and whatnot, and have shipped to us on a continual basis. For one, to save time with grocery shopping, and for two, to just really hone in and get exactly what we want. So tomorrow's vlog may consist of us like seeing what all's out there in like the ordering online space from a food perspective. That said, today's been crazy, but these are days that make you a stronger person. So I'm glad that it happened like this. And I appreciate all the love y'all give. And like that card that we got just made the day. So I'm going to eat this avocado. I'm going to go to bed. I'm going to start fresh tomorrow. See you then. Also, before I end this vlog, somebody commented and asked if Crystal is still keto. Crystal is still keto. It's odd that she's eating turkey burgers and egg whites, but her fat ratio is still high. She is still keto. She's still in ketosis, and she's still my baby. Catch you later.